Hello and welcome to Powerfold Motors here in Wigan. Today I've got the absolute pleasure of showing you in this 19 Renault Megane RS Sport. The car itself is powered by a 1.8 turbo engine, 280 brake horsepower, 4-wheel steering, and then it's wearing the famous Renault RS Sport, so you just know it's going to be the perfect track car. Turning round then to the front of the vehicle, you've got the LED daytime running lights with the signature LED headlights. You've also got the racing flag front fog lights, so when they're lit up they are full LED. This car has got £2,500 worth of factory options on them, which we'll go around into the video. But one is the park pack, so you get front and rear parking sensors on this one with the reversing camera. But looking around the full front bumper, it's been cherished by the previous owner. He texted in with ourselves on a Porsche Boxster we had it, but like I said, condition wise, there's no signs of any heavy stone chips on the front bumper. Coming in down the driver's side, you've got your Renault Sport RS decals on the side. We're riding on the factory upgrade 19-inch alloy wheels, and they're in a black and diamond turned finish. You've got rear privacy glass on this one, gloss black exterior mirrors, and like I said, with it being the RS, you do get the more sticking out front wings and rear wings. But looking at the rear wheel, that's all in lovely order. As we then come through to the rear, as mentioned, you've got your rear parking sensors, you've got your RS decals, and then you've got your big diffuser there on the rear with the exhaust pipes in the cutout. LED rear lights on this one. Your reversing camera is in the centre of the Megane badge, and then looking into the boot, you've got 60/40 split folding rear seats. Parcel shelf is present. You've got the lovely Renault first aid bag and warning triangle, and if we take a closer look under the boot, your tyre inflation kit and towing eye is present as well. We're looking at the top of the bumper, it's free from any major scratches. And then looking into the boot plastics, you can tell it's not had any juice and things chucked in the boot. Coming in down the passenger side, again bumper corners there all in lovely order. Looking down the vehicle, it's free from any major dents or scratches this side, and then you have also your full control badging. But jumping inside now, the massive factory option it had ticked from factory was the full Alcantara package. So that included all your front seat seats being Alcantara, same with the armrest. You've got the RS logos in red, and then same with the contrast red stitching as well. And then if we jump into the rear, again, it's all in lovely order for you. You've got the lovely red band on your seat belts. Arse fix in the back for your child seats, rear armrest, and then all the backs of the seats, they've not been kicked or scratched. You've also got ambient lighting as well, so depending which driving mode you're in, that does change different colours. You've got this lovely carbon effect detailing on the door card and then on the armrest. So 4 electric windows, electric Powerfold mirrors. You've got the lovely RS steering wheel with a red centre banding. You've got voice command, you've got auto lights, auto wipers, cruise and limit control. Like I said, condition, you can tell it's not been raced or rallied. Even though the interior, you've got the full set of genuine RS mats, all the pedals are in lovely order, all the bolsters of the seats, they're all in fantastic condition as well. But then jumping inside, as we're doing the video today, the vehicle is only coming 36,373 miles, so it's absolutely nothing for one of these. 2 owners from new, so like I said, you can tell it's been cherished. All the stalks there, all in lovely order, same with the steering wheel. There's no signs of any heavy usage there. But then you've got your virtual cockpit, so at the moment we're in neutral mode. So when we flick through the different modes, obviously the display is altered, so we're in sport mode at the moment, comfort mode, your race mode, which turns obviously the traction control off, and your stability control, and then you've also got your personal mode as well, which that is just individual modes, so you can change it all around. But as you can tell, when it goes into race mode, the valves open up on the exhaust and it gives it that more burbly feel. Digital climate control with air conditioning. You've got heated front seats, you've got your park assist, which again was part of the parking pack, so it helps you get out of all the car parking spaces, whichever one you like to choose from. But then going through to the multimedia screen, you've got full digital radio, so all the extended channels. You've got satellite navigation, Bluetooth audio and Bluetooth connectivity. You've also got blind spot monitoring sensors as well, which is a lovely nice feature. And then you've also got your vehicle settings and your system settings as well. But like I said, it's in fantastic condition. You've got 2 USB inputs, 6-speed manual gearbox, 2 front cup holders, and then your armrest as well. And then boot pack is present, as well as service book, as well as 2 keys. But like I said, we'll just give it a little rev now that it's in race mode. It has been warmed up for a while. get the nice little burble there on the exhaust. But any further questions, please don't hesitate to give me a call on 01942 231 123, or you can email us at sales@alphamotors.co.uk. And thanks for watching, and we look forward to your inquiry.